So today being day 4 of the investigation taking place, CBI in all likelihood is likely to summon accused number 1 Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant and Rhea's chartered accountants as well. That is a breaking update that we are getting to know. Pradeep Bhandari, who is joining us live from Mumbai itself. Pradeep, these individuals who have already been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, now it seems that the CBI too will be calling them and corroborating their statements.
Absolutely, Amita. In fact, this is the day 4 and we are standing right at the place, the CBI guest house. If you can see here, it's the Ministry of Defence, DRDO guest house. This is exactly the place where the CBI officials are residing, and this is the place where yesterday Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj and Dipesh Sawant were called for grilling. Now, this was the 3rd day. Yesterday was the 3rd day and it was the 2nd day of their grilling, where they were grilled for continuously more than 8 hours. Now, Dipesh Sawant, Amita, is the individual who has been grilled every single day for more than 8 hours. And when yesterday, the day before yesterday, our team tried to catch him and get hold of him, he acted extremely suspicious near Chembur. So the strategy of the CBI here is to ensure that the primary suspects are into the picture. So the primary suspect, the CBI is trying to interrogate the primary suspects and find out the contradiction between their testimonies. Now, when there is a contradiction between their testimonies, that gives you an indicative evidence for the CBI to form a case and file an FIR. There are a lot of sources which are telling us, Amita, that even Rhea Chakrabarti would be summoned today. So if Rhea Chakrabarti is also summoned today, which clearly indicates that the CBI is inching closer, and the whole logic of a suicide theory under Section 174.
Pradeep, we'll just talk about in detail. We'll just talk about that in detail. I have Alisha also joining us because we want to also give more focus to the financial angle that the CBI may be looking into, as what we are getting to know that Sushant and Rhea's CAs will also be summoned by the CBI, and Shruti Modi, who is the former manager, is all likelihood to be summoned again. Alisha is with us. Alisha, इसके ऊपर और जानकारी दीजिए, because ये सारे जो 3 individuals है already they have been questioned by the ED. अब CBI मांग कर रही है जांच की.
देखिए, बिल्कुल सीबीआई की टीम जहां पर मुंबई पहुंचने से पहले ही एक साथ जो है उनकी इनफॉर्मल बातचीत हो गई थी, क्योंकि जो फाइनेंशियल एंगल जहां पर सीबीआई देख रही थी, और वहीं पर शुरुआती में जो है पहले हमने देखा कि खुद करीबन 4 दिन से अब लगातार नीरज सिंह को आज भी बुलाया जाएगा, वहां पर उनकी क्वेश्चनिंग की जाएगी। वहीं पर सिद्धार्थ पिठानी और दीपेश सावंत, इनसे भी आज जो है क्वेश्चनिंग की जाएगी। और जहां तक पता चल रहा है कि तीनों के बीच में कहीं ना कहीं पर आज फिर से ज्वाइंट इंट्रोगेशन होगा, क्योंकि कल के इसमें देखा जाए तो नीरज सिंह और सिद्धार्थ पिठानी के जो स्टेटमेंट दिए गए थे, जो बयान दर्ज किया गया था, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नजर आ रहा था। कई बयान जो है वो अलग दिखाई दिए थे। वहीं पर आज फाइनेंशियल एंगल पर देखा जाए तो आज सीबीआई सुशांत के सीए संदीप श्रीधर और रिया चक्रवर्ती के सीए रितेश शाह, इनसे क्वेश्चनिंग करेगी। इनसे इनके सवाल, इनके बयान जो है वो दर्ज किए जाएंगे। वहीं पर रिया चक्रवर्ती की फॉर्मर मैनेजर श्रुति मोदी, जिनके साथ में खुद ईडी के और से 3 बार पूछताछ कर चुकी थी, वही आज सीबीआई भी इनसे पूछताछ कर सकती है।
जी। So fast-paced developments that are happening now as far as the financial angle is concerned. ED already looking into it. Now it seems that the CBI will be calling the former CAs of Sushant and Rhea and the former manager Shruti Modi too. Coming back to you, Pradeep, on that note, Rhea Chakrabarti, because this is something that we have been hearing since yesterday, that she may be summoned, a notice may be issued to her and will be asked to appear before the investigative agencies. Is that happening today or not?
Amita, there is all likelihood that this will happen today. Now on the on Republic Media Network, which is the channel. 1 second, Amita, if you can see here, there is a gate. If you can see, the gate is opened. Now this is the gate. As you see, the time is around 8:25. Now slowly and gradually, yesterday also, Amita, what had happened is that as the clock was clinching near 9 o'clock, you started seeing a lot of CBI vehicles moving from outside, which had gone to get the suspects, and also went ahead and took Neeraj, Dipesh Sawant and Siddharth Pithani to the crime scene, that is Sushant's house. Now there is a huge possibility that if the CBI gives summon to Rhea Chakrabarti today, which in all likelihood will happen, the next logical step will be to take Rhea to Sushant's flat along with the primary suspects Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj and Dipesh Sawant, and then cross-examine them and hear their testimonies of what exactly happened. Now, when there is a contradiction between their testimonies, that forms a logical ground for a FIR and a case under 302 and 304. And also, Alisha, the extremely important thing which happened yesterday was that Sushant's the owner of the flat. Sushant used to live in a flat which was rented. It had a rent between 4 to 4.5 lakh. His older flat, which was costlier, which had a rent between 6 to 6.5 lakh. So the owner, the rent agreements were also called yesterday. So today is an extremely important day for the investigation, where Rhea Chakravarti will in law likelihood be summoned. Yesterday she was not there at her house. Yesterday Indranil Chakravarti and Shovik Chakravarti were there at her house at around 12 o'clock. And it has been said to us that Rhea Chakravarti, whenever she enters her house, enters it from the back door, not the front door. But today, as of now, Rhea is at her house, which clearly means that Rhea Chakravarti is also anticipating that she would be summoned. And this CBI team is led by a female officer. So today is an extremely important day, Amita, and in all likelihood, in some time from this door, from here, you will see the CBI cars moving outside and start getting the things back on the action, start getting towards Rhea Chakravarti. And this, yes, so within a matter of few hours, you will see a summon issued to Rhea Chakravarti, an interrogation of Rhea Chakravarti beginning very soon.
All right. Thanks very much, Pradeep, for that detailed update. Coming to you live from the DRDO guest house from the CBI team, which is currently camping there for the last of 4 days. And the investigation in any minute now will be beginning, as we are expecting a lot of movement to take place at around 9 a.m. Continuous updates are being shared by Sohail and also Pradeep Bhandari in Mumbai.